Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the Crypto Wealth Management channel. I want to say a big thank you to everyone that's been subscribing, liking, commenting on my videos. Thank you so much for the support that you have shown me. The channel's not even been alive for a month and we're nearing 200 subscribers. So from the bottom of my heart, I am very, very grateful to each and every one of you. If you are new to this channel, quick background on me. I am a qualified financial advisor in real life and I've been investing in cryptocurrency since 2019, so for 5 years. At the start, I was a bit of a novice beginner, didn't understand market cycles or the market in general, made very rookie mistakes, didn't make a lot of money, etc. However, in the last 2 years, I've really honed in on my skills, increased my skill set, my education, my knowledge, my experience, and I've managed to see a lot of success. This channel was created to help bring that success and experience to people that may not already have it, just to help as many people out as I can. And the ultimate objective is to make and grow money. So today's video is going to be a little bit different to what we're used to on this channel. It's going to be delving into 3 sectors in crypto, which we should be, if you're not already, looking to invest in, or just taking a look at, especially on days like this where we can see Bitcoin is dropping in value. So if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, we can see that it's a red day. It's been red day today, yesterday. If we look at the daily chart, if we change that to 4 hours, I don't know why it's on daily. Look at 4 hours, we can see it's looking very bearish for Bitcoin at the moment, sitting at just over $39,000. I'm not going to delve into a lot of technical analysis. That's not really what this channel is about. If you guys want to see that, then feel free to let me know. But it's looking bearish, especially over the next the coming days, weeks, leading up to the halving. We could see Bitcoin drop low into 37, 36, 35k territory, which isn't, I mean, the reason I guess is because of the big boys now involved, BlackRock, Fidelity, these asset managers, etc., driving prices down and consequently buying more cheap Bitcoin for themselves. But do not panic. I've also seen a lot of whales and maybe even just regular investors selling their crypto on days like this. Transferring to exchanges, cashing out. We shouldn't be panicking. Days like this are perfect to increase our holdings on projects we've already entered, or even better, pick up new projects on a discount. Obviously, do not go all in. Do not use up all your powder on days like this because, like I said, we could go lower. But yeah, we shouldn't really be panicking when we see red. If you're new to the market, you will obviously see the value of investments go down. You might be thinking, hey, what's going on here? But there's a lot of seasoned veterans in this space as well, and this is just a regular day. What I suggest you do is create a watch list on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko on projects that you're interested in. And you can, it makes it really easy to monitor. You can see, in the last 24 hours, 7 days, hour even, what's up, what's down. Helps you keep an eye on your projects. And just a quick tip: the cryptos that show strength in the dip are strong projects. So the cryptos that don't go down as much as other projects, it tends to be a sign of strength and a good project to invest in. So yeah, just a quick market overview of what's been going on lately. If we move on to the first sector, it should come at no surprise that we are going to be discussing AI, one of the hottest narratives in crypto and in the world in general right now. We can see that the total market cap, according to CoinMarketCap, of AI, and to be fair, they categorize it as big data as well. I would call them 2 separate things. I wish they would have a separate AI category. So this isn't entirely accurate, but they've put the whole market cap of AI and big data at $19 billion, down 3% in the last day, which, yeah, it's peanuts if you compare it to the total market cap of crypto in general. You can see up here, it's 1.53 trillion. So yeah, it's a drop in the ocean. But it'd be interesting to see how much of these projects are actually AI and how much are big data. Because a lot of these projects, it gets a bit vague when it comes to AI. Because I don't know why injective is here. I wouldn't call that AI. Render is, graph is, feed to network is AI. I don't know. A cache, is it more data and computing centered? Ocean protocols, more data as well, I'd say, than AI. But yeah, I mean, you'd be a bit of a novice right now if you hadn't really heard of AI or really focused your attention on it. It's going to be one of the biggest runners, and if we can get involved in some good projects in this space, we're going to make a lot of money. Again, depending on your capital, if you've got a lot of capital to spare, you should be looking, maybe towards the upper end of this list where we got, Fetch AI, Singularity Net, I mentioned the graph already. Render as well is a great pick. My favorite personally down here is BitTensor. It's actually marked in the wrong place. We can see it's got a value of $1.5 billion. We should put it literally yeah, third in the list. But yeah, they've not really updated their lists as of yet, coin market cap. But yeah, if you've got less capital, or you're dealing in smaller amounts, we need to go down. Pal AI is a great project, sitting at just $100 million market cap. Our AI chain is also very good. I've heard good things about Fala Network. So yeah, I don't want to make this a video on what projects to invest in because I'm going to do that separately. It's just a sector to keep your eyes on. I've already mentioned Delicium in one of my previous videos, but yeah, there was a article here by CNN just giving us a quick overview on what AI has done in the last 12 months. We can see that AI surged from $1.75 billion to the boom to just over $7 billion. So I mean, they value AI and crypto at about $7 billion. So if we compare that to the $19 billion we saw here, yeah, I'd say maybe that's about right. Like I said, I don't know how much of this is AI in this group and how much is big data. But yeah, CNN value it about $7 billion at the start of 2024. We can work off that. But the projects that they mention in this article, whilst they are good, like I said, if you've got big capital to invest, these are the kind of projects to look at. The Graph, Fetch, Fala Network, Singularity Net, Ocean Protocol. These are all great projects, but they're most likely not going to give you 50 to 100x simply because their market cap is already in the billions. To get those, obviously, it's not impossible, and if the project really does take off, you can see those kind of returns, but we should be looking more so in the hundreds of millions, tens of millions in terms of market cap, because if you're early to an AI project, you're going to make a lot of money. The second sector that you should be taking a look at, if not already, again, with no surprise, is gaming and crypto. We can see today the market cap is down almost 5% in the last 24 hours, and it's sitting about $16.5 billion, which again, I don't know how accurate that is. I feel like gaming should be higher. But if that's what it's saying, then that's kind of what we go off. I've read numerous articles that put gaming in, already over $100 billion, but I don't know if that's fully diluted values or just where they're plucking those numbers from. But yeah, going off there, 16.5 billion, doing very good trading volume, up almost 30%. People are clearly trying to buy the dip, maybe. But yeah, gaming's going to be huge. Gaming's going to be huge. It's probably the most primed to explode sector this year in crypto. It's gone on board millions of gamers. We've got polished AAA titles coming out. We've got partnerships from global brands all piling into these crypto projects. And in spite of all of that, we've only got 2 gaming projects sitting above $1 billion in market cap right now, which is insane. I'm not even sure if multiverse really counts as gaming. It might be more metaverse, but yeah, that's insane because there's going to be so many billion-dollar crypto projects in gaming in the future, and the fact that we've only got 2 right now shows how early we are. Same drill as last time. You got a lot of capital. Beam is an excellent pick. Gala Games, again, it did numbers last bull run. It's going to do numbers this bull run as well. But the serious money is going to be made in the few millions of market cap. I've mentioned a few on my channel already. Ultra's a great pick. It was around last bull cycle though, so it won't have the shiny coin effect. But GFAL is notorious in the community. I know a lot of people are fans of that project. Sidus as well. Altura was around last cycle. D-Race is more gamble-fi, but again, links to gaming. I could talk about this all day. Again, I'm not going to go through each and every project, which I think is good. I've mentioned a few on my channel already, but I will do a separate video covering it. But yeah, this is just another a sector that you should really be looking to pick up coins on a discount in. And I was looking at an article again. I don't know, like I said, the numbers are just different. Yahoo Finance have got gaming at like $100 billion or something. Yeah, 128 USD in 2022, I guess. But yeah, apparently we've got a compounded annual growth rate of pretty much 22%. So they expect it by 2030 to surpass 600 billion, which, that's insane. That is absolutely insane numbers. And if we go down, we can see that it's just all kinds of games coming in now. We've got it off all kinds of platforms. We've got web, Android, iOS. We're going to have it on consoles as well. And it's just worldwide. Who doesn't love gaming? There's not a single region in the world that doesn't love gaming. So it's it's going to be the sector that does onboard a lot of people onto crypto, and you'd be very naive if you weren't paying a lot of attention to gaming. Final category for today's video is one that I think is going a bit underappreciated. It's real world assets, and we can see that the market cap currently is $28.5 billion. But there's a caveat here because, again, CoinMarketCap have included projects which aren't solely to do with RWA, like Avalanche isn't, Chainlink is an Oracle, Internet Computer. Like, these aren't, for me, pure RWA coins. So I think they've inflated the market cap here. Centrifuge is an example of a very good RWA project. We go down. What else can we see? A Planet is like a meme slash RWA project. Maple Finance is also pure RWA. So yeah, I'm not sure with these numbers, but reading articles on tokenization, and it is going to be the future. And if you don't know what it is, it literally says it right here. Blockchains allow existing real-world assets and capital to be tokenized. At the heart of this practice is conversion of tangible physical assets into digital tokens, making them easily traded, transferred, and managed using distributed ledger technology. So essentially, you can tokenize. The future is going to be tokenized. So, you know, you want to sell a house, you can tokenize it. A watch, a car, you know, whatever kind of tangible physical product in real life, you'll be able to tokenize it, put it on the blockchain, and easily see, you know, ownership, trade it, whatever. And a massive bullish signal is BlackRock's CEO Larry Fink, you know, one of the most powerful guys in the world of finance. He says Bitcoin ETFs are just the first step in the technological revolution of finance, and he is bullish on tokenization. Yeah, as you can see here, CEO says step 2 is tokenization. I'm not sure whereabouts in this article exactly it is. It says, yep, step 2 is going to be the tokenization of every financial asset. And he's given many comments, many quotes over the last 12, 18 months that I have seen where he is hugely bullish on real world assets. Yeah, we have the technology to tokenize today. If you had a tokenized security, the moment you buy or sell an instrument, it's on a general ledger that is all created together. This eliminates all corruption, having a tokenized system. So yeah, the future is going to be tokenized, and we are just so early in crypto on real world assets, you know. The focus seems to be primarily on gaming, AI, and I see layer ones as well. So it kind of begs the question to me, is RWA a sector for this coming bull cycle, or is it more, you know, the next bull cycle that will come, you know, late 20s, 28, 29, whenever. But it is an interesting one because we've got a lot of very good low market cap projects, which, you know, if the narrative kicks in and we see an acceleration in tokenization, we're going to make huge amounts of money in crypto. And it's just another, you know, an element of diversification in your portfolio if you haven't got it already. But yeah, guys, that is essentially today's video. I'll try to make it a quicker one. Apologies if I was waffling a little bit. Again, yeah, post work, yeah, I'm just tired. Just trying to get a YouTube video out for you guys. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I really do appreciate everything. I'm going to have more videos coming out soon, delving into top projects in each of these sectors and more, which I'm working on behind the scenes right now. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like I said, any support is very much appreciated, and I will catch you guys in the next one.